Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh wow, very surreal. Kanina naglalakad ako papuntang Vatican City. Tapos nadaanan ko na yung St. Peter's Square. Tapos nakita ko na yung facade ng St. Peter's Basilica. Grabe, sobrang laki niya. For sure later madadaanan natin yung papakita ko sa inyo. But nag-goosebumps lang ako nung una ko siyang nakita. Parang wow. But anyways, share ko lang kanina. Meron akong nagkaroon ako ng konting problema. Bigla ako nawala ng signal kanina. So after kong pumunta ng Spanish Steps, 'di ba? Doon sa previous video ko. Na-realize ko wala akong signal. Walang data. So hindi siya makakonect sa Google Maps. And then after that, so hindi ko ma-figure out kung paano ako uuwi. Bala ko sana bumalik muna ng hotel. Tapos mag-charge ng konti kasi parang medyo feeling ko kasi madidrain yung battery ng phone ko. And I decided na umuwi. Pero na-realize ko wala akong signal. Medyo na-stress ako ng konti. But anyways, buti na pumunta ako sa may Starbucks kanina, tapos naki-wifi ako. But syempre, kailangan bumili ng kape. And then after that, I was able to get access to Google Maps. So I decided not to go to the hotel na lang ulit at dumiretso na ako dito sa Vatican City just to save time. Kasi feeling ko kain oras kung uwi pa ako ng hotel. I already checked in doon sa tour ko. So, we're just waiting for our tour guide. So, I still have like 15 minutes. And while waiting, share ko lang. Duman ako dito sa may shop na to. Mga religious items. Nagpabili kasi si mama ng mga rosary. Pati si papa nagpabili ng rosary. So bumili ako ng mga ilang pirasong rosary for them para may pasalubong ako pag uwi ko next year. And nag-start yung tour namin. Kasama na namin tour guide. And that's our group. Chika-chika kami nung tour guide. Kasi nalaman niya taga Pilipinas ako. Tapos, kwento niya, tinur niya daw sila Jody Santa Maria, sila Sanjo Marudo, tsaka sila Carlos Aquino. Super happy daw. Hindi niya daw na-realize, super sikat daw sila. Papunta kami ngayon sa may Vatican Museum. So we'll start the tour from there. And then we'll end sa St. Peter's Square. So we can take pictures and videos sa Mandaw. So at least madadocument ko siya. Except for the Sistine Chapel daw. So, hindi daw pwede mag-video doon. So, meron akong hashtag today I learned. So, yung intro ko kanina, akala ko nasa loob na ako ng Vatican City. Hindi pa pala. Nasa Rome pa pala ako noon. And Vatican City is protected by these walls. Ayan. I know that there is a wall, pero akala ko kanina nadaanan ko na siya. Hindi pa pala. So, papasok pa lang kami sa loob ng mismong Vatican City. So, ito yung wall. Naku, haba ng pila. Yung tour kasi merong skip the line access. Although kahit may skip the line access, sabi niya it'll take like an hour daw bago makapasok. Kasi kung wala kang reserve ticket online, it'll take like 4 hours or 5 hours daw before you can get in. Ang daming tao. But anyways, laban natin yan for today. Malapit na tayo sa entrance ng Vatican City. Tapos yun yung entrance papuntang Vatican Museum. So pupunta talaga kayo ng mga tours like this. Kung alam mo, touristy talaga. Kung touristy talaga, it's better na mag-book talaga in advance. Medyo pricey pero it'll save your time. Ayan. Si Kuya may payong. Yan yung tour guide namin. Scalard, laban.
Es una marca de bebida gas there.
Okay.
So start to go there and to spend your
Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa loob ng Vatican Museum. So pa-start na yung mismong tour. Meron na kaming radio, ayan. Tapos sa tour guide namin.
This is shopping. It's a place where I cannot cook. It's like a system chapel because it's not allowed. In the system chapel.
Oh my God.
What's it made out of?
It's made of bronze, and the golden spices and the idea of it's a really
Ang saya, parang nasa field trip ako. Kasi ang daming kwento ng tour guide. Very knowledgeable. Grabe. Alam niya yung mga kwento behind the paintings, behind the statues, and the history behind it. Ang galing.
modo. By other so why the statue was actually why this statue there. There was another easy. It's like a window system. We have also the cities. There is like a
St. Peter's Square, guys. Oh my God! Grabe, sobrang laki niya. Grabe naman! Yung papal audience, yung papal mass. And papunta na kami sa loob ng St. Peter's Basilica. Grabe naman ako paniwala. Grabe, sobrang laki niya. Kanina pumunta na kami sa may Sistine Chapel pero unfortunately bawal yung pictures and videos. So after the Vatican Museum, diretso na agad or may daan na papuntang Sistine Chapel. Huh. Grabe, sobrang breathtaking. And all of the paintings from not all of the paintings but mga paintings ni Michelangelo. Grabe. feeling ko nasa field trip ako eh talaga. Parang field trip siya actually. I mean, medyo overwhelming yung information, pero alam mo yun, as I go through it, di ba? Habang nakikinig ako, doon ko siya na-appreciate. Lalo, sobrang ganda.
Upside down, more or less there. This was the Circus of Nero. That was a theater of spectacles, a place of spectacles, but became a theater of death. And many people were crucified, other people were beheaded, other people burned alive. Anyway, this is the symbolic area where Peter died, and Peter finally was buried in the front in a mass grave that will be the Basilica of St. Peter. So now we're gonna enter the Basilica of St. Peter. Anyway, Peter was killed here. That's why the Pope is, showing up twice a week in this square. Before there was a Pope here. He was in the square, was all closed until 2 o'clock. So people were in the middle trying to touch the Pope. He was passing with the Pope mobile. Then there was anyway a speech. It's called Papal Audience. It's really beautiful.
St. Peter's Tomb. Nandito tayo sa may crypts of the popes. Okay. Oh God. Grabe naman po. Breathtaking. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Grabe. And the domes and oh my God, the details, guys. Yung pagsitaan malakas eh. I'm actually inside the biggest church in the world. OA no, pero grabe naman po. Hindi sa pagiging OA pero what? Grabe, sobrang thank you naman. Yung altar. Grabe, sobrang laki niya. So the next goal is to find where La Pieta is. Hindi ako pwedeng umalis dito, hindi ko siya nakikita. Nagtanong na ako nasaan yung La Pieta para mabilis. So dito daw siya after the Holy Door. So, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Wow. Guys, nakita ko na yung La Pieta. Very quick silip lang. Nasilip ko siya kasi merong ng curtains papunta doon sa may Holy Door. Pero nag-decide na ako hindi na pumunta kasi guys, sobrang dami ng tao. Ang haba ng pila papunta doon sa may La Pieta. But anyways, at least nakita ko siya. Hindi ko man na video pero at least nakita ko siya in person. So, I think okay na ako doon. Nandito na ako sa may exit. It's St. Peter's Square, guys. The space is massive, so massive. Grabe. At anyways, I'm gonna head out, guys. Papunta na akong exit. Mag-exit na lang muna ako and I'm gonna get myself some lunch kasi sobrang nagugutom na ako. 3:30 na ng hapon. Ay, grabe. At So I will try to go to the Filipino restaurant na nirecommend sa akin. It's called Sarap, but hopefully malapit lang siya dito. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. At least napasilip ko sa inyo ang Vatican, ang Vatican Museum, ang St. Peter's Basilica, and here sa St. Peter's Square. Ayan. Medyo pagod-paguran lang talaga, grabe. Sobrang touristy talaga ng Roman Vatican. Pero it's worth it. And hinailit talaga ni Giovanni yung tour guide namin na we skipped the long lines. So, what more if wala kaming na-book na tour, no? So, oras-oras talaga yung ipipila namin for this. And anyways, so that's it for now. And thank you so much, guys. Bye!